Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin with Beauty Formula's Apricot Facial Scrub. If you're used to following my channel, you know that I exfoliate my skin once every week. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Because I have makeup on, I'm using wipes to wipe and clean my face thoroughly before washing. After washing, then I apply my facial scrub. It's good to exfoliate your skin every once or twice a week. It's very important because your skin needs it. You need that radiant skin. You want a glowing and radiant skin, then this is very important. It's good that you exfoliate your skin once or twice every week to have a healthy skin. So next is to wash my face. So I'm using my bar soap, but you can also, if you have a face wash, whatever that you have, or bar soap, just use it to make sure you wash your face thoroughly with soap and water. Clean your face, make sure you do it up. Everywhere is absolutely clean, not just your face, your ear, your neck, back of your ear, everywhere. You make sure everywhere is thoroughly clean. Wash it before applying your facial scrub. Time for me to apply my Apricot facial scrub. So all you need is just to drop a little on your palm. Not too much, just a little, because you don't need much of it. Apply, then you start applying all over your face, like everywhere. Make sure you apply on your face, even on your lip if you have a dark lip, on your ear, and also on your neck as well. So after applying it all over my face, it's now time for me to scrub my face. So I make sure I scrub it thoroughly, and if you're scrubbing, make sure you do it in circular motion so it penetrates your skin. So I'm scrubbing it in circular motion so that it penetrates my skin. I'm actually doing it for deep cleansing. So this Apricot facial scrub is actually from Beauty Formula, and it's for revitalizing, for exfoliating, and it will rejuvenate your skin for a smoother, softer, and more radiant skin. So it's actually for all skin types. If you have it, you know that it's very good. It's very good. It gives you, it's actually for deep cleansing. It's a cleansing formula that gently exfoliates, removing dull skin, dead skin cells for a smoother, softer and a radiant skin. So after scrubbing, I always wait for 30 minutes before washing my face. So it's time for me to wash. When I'm washing, I just use running water from the tap to make sure I wash my face, wash everywhere, my hair, my neck, everywhere. Make sure the water goes round and my face is thoroughly clean. I'm done washing, so next is to dap my face with my face towel. All you need to do is to dap, don't wipe. Make sure I'm stressing it because dapping is better. It doesn't harm or hurt your skin. It's soft and tender, so just dap it and make sure your face is thoroughly clean. Make sure you have a face towel. You're not using your body towel on your skin. This is how my face is, very clean. I'm feeling so fresh and clean, and my skin looks so healthy, soft, healthy, bright. You know, my skin is actually glowing and I love it. I love the result. Hope you enjoy watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more. See you on the next one. Bye.